Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dustin and my goal is to build a software as a service that I can exit for 6 or 7 figures within the next year or so. If you want to do that too, you should subscribe because I'm on this journey and I'd love to have you along for the ride. The app that I've invested the most of my focus into is called ChatGPT Killer, and it's basically another chat app. But the difference is that it has all the context that you need, like your favorite YouTube videos from Mark Manson and Alex Hormozi or whatever you want to paste in, as well as your own journals and text documents that you can add. And it's going to use that to give you much higher quality answers with better context. I don't know about you, but I wake up sometimes and I can't remember my own name. I'm like, who am I? What am I doing? Like, am I on the right path? Should I quit this job or start this other job? Or how should I get to my goals? And having an AI that always knows what your goals are and has the best frameworks from the best thinkers and business experts to give you those instructions is so powerful. And I built this and it works. So I actually tested this about a week ago. I took a video from Daniel Barada and then probably several weeks of journals, and I had it all combined to give a really strong answer. And the answer blew my mind. It basically told me that if you want to change your identity to be a content creator, you have to focus more on that and less on doing the code. Now, there's a couple of problems with the app. Right now, my mentor told me, hey, don't worry about the app design, just focus on marketing and have a dashboard and a way to collect data. But the problem that I ran into with that is the app is actually unusable because I had my first user, and shout out to Robin. He left some feedback and he said, hey, it's too small. I can't really use this UI. The UI is this this node drag and drop kind of thing, but there's all these problems with the state management, and it's become so cumbersome to try to make this canvas work that I think it's better to just do a traditional style, a chat app, where one side is, your conversations, the middle is your, the chat interface where you can send messages and have them read back to you, or speak with your voice so that you can use it on the go, in the car, whatever you want to do. Which, by the way, ChatGPT fails at this. Claude, it lets you speak to send messages, but it doesn't read them back. Google Gemini will cut you off if you try to talk to it for more than a minute. So all these apps have this problem, and I'm trying to fix that with this app. On the right, we're going to have all your memories, all of your documents, which of course are highlighted as the answers are created, so you know where it's pulling that context. And I've been uploading every day on this channel, and man, it's been a lot of work. So if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe if you want to stick along for this journey, learn how I'm going to grow this. I'm very committed to this. It's hard to do, but I know that by publishing content, it's going to get easier. So I'd love to have you if you want to subscribe and leave a comment. I want to hear about your app. I'll actually go try your app right now. If you have an app, I'll make sure to test your app and give you some feedback. So the thing I did today and yesterday was to migrate this old interface to a newer interface that's going to be much easier to use, especially on mobile, and is going to have the basic stuff that we need to be able to make everything work. Now the backend already has my Llama index and my PG SQL, vector storage, and user account management. It's got all that good stuff, as well as the TTS integrations and then Whisper API so that you can speak to it. It's all built into the backend. So mainly the thing I've been trying to do is migrate the front end so that I don't have all these old problems with this canvas thing, because it's not worth maintaining anymore. Now, Gemini did a really good job of migrating everything, and I'm super grateful for that. There's still just some things that have to get fixed because I gave it a lot of context to use, and it ignored most of it and started building a new backend. And I'm like, bro, it's not what I asked for. I already gave you the backend. So we're getting there. The next thing that my mentor told me that I really needed was Hotjar. So I'm going to add Hotjar, and hopefully within a day, I'll have this dang thing published, and I'll be able to actually use it on the go, test it more, and figure out, who can I go and I can sell this to that they're going to be able to use it on a regular basis and get tons of value out of it. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me your comments, and I look forward to seeing you soon.